Make a great choice today with the 2013 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.